Okay, so today is an update of my common cold, cough, fever. In my case, I think I almost got into the strep throat, because what they call it strep throat, but it's pretty much the same attack. Um, I'm happy to report that I passed through that stage. I didn't get a fever, and I'm going to show it to you. This is a blank piece of paper, and I only had a little bit left. Okay. And it come out all nice. Okay, no more blood. And how I did it, it's just salt and my special ingredient. Okay, I'm not going to tell you my special ingredients. That's just optional, really. The real ingredients is just salt and water and goggle. And I have that video up here, okay, if you need it. I show you how on that, but this is my update on that. And I am happy to report that I am not going into the fever stage. That means my throat is a-okay. It's still hurting just a little bit. I got my voice back. It's not 100%, but the scratchy is kind of halfway gone. And I didn't really do the salt today. I know I should have done it. Remember to do it within the 24 hours, even when you think it's gone, okay? Don't be like me. I skip it for about, I don't know, 8 hours now. But I'm still, I think I'm okay, and I'm pushing it, but I'm going to do it after the video. But I am happy to report that it is no longer bleeding. My throat is no longer bleeding. And it's actually passed. Okay? And all there was is just once you start to feel that you have a sore throat or whatever, continue. I did about every 2 hours. When I'm awake, I did it every 2 hours. When I go to sleep, I actually did it, and then I drank a little bit of salt. Don't drink too much, okay? Please do not drink too much salt. I drank a little bit of salt, then I drank water. Then I drink a little bit of salt again, just to coat my throat. Remember, in my other video, I said we need to deprive the oxygen so it can stop to supplying, because I believe, okay, this is my theory. My theory is that, let's say this is the throat. It forms around the throat. If you put salt on there, it deprives it from multiplying. Meaning, let's say if this was the throat and it's open, you are putting a coat of salt in there, so you're depriving the liquid oxygen to supply it to multiply further. Understand? So let's say if this was the throat, the water would go down and it coat it. That's what we want. We want to coat that. And the problem is that because our throat, it's always discharging saliva, or saliva is coming down and wash it down, we need to continue to add the salt onto it to coat it. By doing that, you are actually depriving the oxygen to supply the virus from multiplying further. And that's how I was able to do it. So now, like I said, I am happy to report that I am not going to the fever stage. Yes. If you go to the fever stage, it's even harder to kill it. So the best thing to do, once you start feeling it, do it right away. Do it 24 hours. That's all you really need, is 24 hours of salt. But please do not drink it. If you drink it like I do, just drink extra water. And then recoat it again. Anytime you drink water, you have to gargle it with salt water. Okay? I know it's going to be a little pain, but that's how you get rid of your strep throat, your cold, whatever it is they call it. Common cold, flu, whatever it is. Okay? It is, my belief, it's only one virus that does all this. But you can stop it. As simple as just salt. But anyway, that's my update for this. And like I stated, I am happy to report that my cold or my flu or my strep throat or whatever it is, it's going away. Because I know how to get rid of it. And that's how you get rid of it. Furthermore, I will teach you the next video, the ultimate video, my 5,000K subscriber video. I am going to explain everything about how to catch a cold, your flu, your virus, whatever it is. Because like I stated in my other video, which is up here, I have known this information for the past 6 years, a little bit over 6 years. I have not been sick at all. Even when I thought I was going to go to a fever this weekend, I thought I was going to go to a fever stage. I didn't. Because I stopped it. And you have to do it within the 24 hours, or else you will go through a fever stage. Sadly to tell you, if you don't do it, it will go through a fever stage. Anyway, I hope that this video will be helpful to you. It's just a little update. And like I said, I have been doing this for the past 6 years. I have not been sick. And I am happy to say that this method works. No medicine, nothing whatsoever. All you need is just salt. That's it. You can use sea salt, but if you have iodine deficiency, use iodized salt. There's nothing wrong with that. Just use your salt. It's the cheapest medicine you will find for your cough and cold, fever, whatever it is. Okay? Other than that, that's about it. And I will see you in the next video.